Nguriganire tukugweta hau mbere ithuĩ nĩ tũrĩ mbathi wabici yakwa ĩtagwo National Government Affirmative Action Fund nĩ tũrĩ mbathi na mbathi ĩyo nĩ tũheanaga kũrĩ Wanjikũ wa Kiambu County agathiĩ nayo kũrĩa gũthiĩ no agekĩra maguta no nĩ ndauga nĩ ngamĩheana Thursday thiĩ Limuru ĩkuue andũ ĩmatware Naikuru na maguta nĩ niĩ ngekĩra rĩu ĩno tũtikarĩhia.
Thank you.
Ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩ ngwenda kwĩhoya ta mama county wa Kiambu ndauga rĩu nginya hau twakinya Githae atiganwo nake kĩrema leo nini mama county wa Githae yaugire kĩrĩma nĩ kĩanyu na tondũ nĩ etĩkĩrire nĩ gitũ rĩu nginya hau twakinya Githae rĩu ahingũrĩrwo nyũmba ingĩ na atiganwo nake.
Thank you. Thank you. Haya, asante. Nawe Githae rũciũ ũgĩre hurumbarũ no nginya tũtindĩke. Thank you. Kuma kũrĩ engineer Mwaura nake nĩ atũhe ciringi 100,000 tũmũhũrĩre rũhĩ rwega. Kuma kũrĩ controller wa kũrĩa State House Kato Ole Metito 100,000 ona tũmahũrĩre rũhĩ rwega. Nigetha njokerie mheshimiwa wa kũrĩa Mathira mheshimiwa
Wamuratha nitwatigana na Ben Githae uo nawe horera Ben Githae uke tucire twe nyumba ya Gikuyu twe kindu kimwe.
Aya nigetha tucokerie mheshimiwa wa kũrĩa Mathira nindiramenya o hau uroera mbeca deputy governor wa gũkũ Nairobi onake nĩ agũtũmanĩte gũkũ wa Nairobi nĩ agũtũmanĩte na timu yake gũkũ mwĩkũ. Oh, thank you so much. Koguo na gĩtĩo kĩnene wa mũbiki.
Aya, thank you mũno Karango. Twarĩkanĩra ithuothe tũikaranie twĩ kĩndũ kĩmwe tũnyitanĩre mũndũ wothe oke tucirage twĩ kĩndũ kĩmwe tondũ twĩ nyũmba ya mũmbi. Tũtiguo Ben Githae. Very good. Ithuothe twĩ kĩndũ kĩmwe twĩ nyũmba ya mũmbi na tũtigathama tũgũikara ũguo tũnyitanĩre. Njoe kanya gaka rĩu njĩte Dennis Itumbi oke nigetha tũtwarithie hau hangĩ na nĩ twendete Dennis Itumbi nĩ atũtwaraga wega nĩ atwĩraga maũndũ mega. Wapi makofi ya Dennis Itumbi. Asante sana na wĩre Githae oke wĩre Githae oke.
God is good and all the time.
God is good.
Naona time ni mbaya, so I'll be brief. Dad, we came to condole with you and Githae and say pole sana. We were with Mom during your inauguration as Archbishop, and it's good that he actually saw your enthronement to Archbishop, at least Atigidewe Archbishop. So that is a good thing. Githae, I want to address you. I know your women rep has spoken. No, inetugete kwena separation of power. So she has spoken for the legislature. So let the executive speak. It is not true that we did not stand with Githae, with Ngaruya. In fact, from the very beginning of this issue, we have personally stood with him. And I'll take you through the journey so that you take the notes. No, Kanyamoka Udraigiro narrative yesterday and today, and I want that narrative to end before we leave here. It is important that I respond to what you said. In fact, Bishop, thank you for the preaching. I know you spoke about humanity and our arrows. Now let me speak about these political arrows a bit. So mara nyingi inatupwa kwetu na to respond inakuwa narrative watu wanaamini. When Ngaruya's mom was admitted at Kenyatta Referral Hospital, I personally called Professor Olive Mogenda, and Ngaruya will tell you, she allocated 2 senior doctors. One, a general doctor because of pain, and another, specifically a specialist doctor on cancer, who does not even work in KU Hospital. Because I told her, that is our patient. They looked for a doctor from private sector and retained that doctor until when Mama Ngaruya finally passed on. We may not, let me tell you why we beat Jubilee in the elections. we didn't announce our strategy in public. We did it underground. And that is the same thing we do. There are some things we announce, like saying judges who are corrupt must stop stopping our housing program. And then there are very many other things we don't announce, like that you have put a new system in KRA that is collecting tax, and hata ukikataa kusimama hapa, we already know who is not paying. So there are many things we don't announce, and there are many things that we announce. We gave maximum support to Ngaruya at that place. It is not only that. When the Harambe was being done here, wakati mama yake alikuwa discharged from hospital na kulikuwa na Harambe hapa, ask Ngaruya where I was on that day. I was in hospital ensuring the entire system is cleared of even a single cent. And that is why I delayed, even I was not able to make to this Harambe. But even in that Harambe, you got our message. Today, at the end of today, mimi nimekuwa kwa group zote. Umesikia nimeannouncewa na mheshimiwa Mother kwa group ya waheshimiwa. Kuna group ya Radical ile nitatangaza hapa, nimekuwa hapo. Kwa ile group ya Ngaruya ya collect, nimepeana contribution hapo. If I was to now announce my entire contribution, it would be too much, but I don't choose to do that. Which Ngaruya is a member of Radical. Watu wa Radical tusimame tafadhali pale tulipo. We form 25% of the crowd here. Sisi na wale waimbaji, we are competing on the same channel. And don't forget, up next, we have one of us who has lost the sister, na alikuwa na Harambe leo. Mimi nimeketi hapa throughout, tulituma Karondo pale, to represent. We have stood with our brother. Please, let's put the right narratives. And if you take the microphone...
Kia mudo yite. Ego. Na yale haki yake, kwa bata kirima. Onawe waigua nuko na kuikira irima ria huko ri ikira tigana na Githae. Tumunore na haki yake ya gwika undu enda gwika atia ekwenda gwika wewe na kunyu kuri dawa ya bia. It is your democratic right kuingilia dawa ya bia. Koguo please, kwa niaba ya watu wote wa Gatundu, Karagu, Wamuraya na watu wengine, tumekataa kabisa. Tumesema Bendi Githae ndakarumurike ndakanagenio rike ni haki yake. Hilio gwikanda kwa isha kirima kia mukimo, hilio gikale kia gima haisha, hiyo ni haki yako. Na ni wala kwa tushokaniri kwa ku support uguo wa mubiaiga tushokaniri andu itu othe riu ni kahinda gucokaniri andu othe. Uria wokire rucini, uria wokire hwaini, tunyitane ithuothe twake ruriri rwitu na twake bururi witu. Bishop JJ ni watu hujiria wega muno.